Most Excel users rely on VLOOKUP or XLOOKUP to find values, but what if there was a smarter, more efficient way? In this video, I'll introduce you to one of Excel's best-kept secrets, the DGET function. I'll show you how quickly it can deliver precise results and why it's a game-changer for building cleaner, faster reports. Okay, let's dive in. Let's take a look at our dataset. Now imagine this: you need to find the total sales for a specific product. Scrolling through rows or filtering manually can waste time. Instead, with the DGET function, Excel can pull that exact total sales value instantly. I've set up a simple criteria table in columns G and H. In G1, I've entered the header product name, and in G2, I'll type a product, for example, the Asus monitor stand. Now, here's a pro tip: instead of typing a product name every time, you can add a drop-down list in G2 using data validation. That way, you just select any product instantly, and Excel will update the total sales automatically. Alright, let's put the DGET function to work. In cell H2, I'll type equals DGET. When the function appears, press Tab. First argument, database. That's our full dataset, including headers, so I'll select A1 to E33. Now comes the second argument, field. This tells Excel which column we want to return. Instead of typing the word total sales or clicking on E1, I'll point it to H1, the header cell above our result. This makes the formula more flexible. If I ever change the label in H1, the formula automatically updates to match, keeping the report clear and dynamic. Third argument, criteria. That's our mini table in G1 to G2. Close the bracket. So the full formula looks like this. Now, press Enter. And just like that, Excel instantly pulls the exact total sales for the product you selected. Here's something really smart. Notice that the result in H2 automatically takes the label from H1. Right now, it says total sales because that's what I typed in H1. But watch this: if I change H1 to unit price, the formula instantly updates and pulls the unit price instead. Change it again to quantity. It adjusts right away. This flexibility makes your report much clearer and easier to read, especially if you're sharing it with managers or colleagues. One thing to keep in mind: the DGET function only works when your criteria return a single unique match. If there are duplicates, Excel won't guess, it will simply return an error. That's by design, so you always know whether your criteria are specific enough. Will you try DGET function in your next report? Drop a comment and let me know. And if this video saved you time, give it a like, share it with your team, and subscribe to Easy Click Learning for more smart Excel tips every week. Don't forget to hit the bell so you never miss a time-saving shortcut.